Do you want to build PHP systems that handle 100 million requests a month? Traditional PHP architectures, like PHP-FPM, are stuck at 400 requests per second. With modern high-scale systems and the RoadRunner architecture, you can achieve 20 times that throughput on the same hardware. Many courses teach you how to build frameworks, but not how to build production systems. The problem is that traditional PHP boots and dies on every request, creating a 400 RPS ceiling. Senior roles require distributed systems thinking, worker lifecycle knowledge, and concurrent programming, which typical tutorials miss. Being stuck means paying a 10 to 50 millisecond bootstrap tax on every request, limiting your professional growth. With the skills in this course, you gain the trajectory of a staff or principal engineer, capable of building platforms with 0.1 millisecond resident state and true 100 million request throughput. The solution is designing and building a high-scale PHP content management system. This course spans 9 modules and 90 hands-on lessons, starting production-ready from Lesson 1. You will build a fully containerized 100 million request per month system, complete with observability and modern protocols. This is not just a course. It's 5 production projects resulting in 1 complete CMS engine. You will build a persistent worker harness, a dynamic schema engine, an abstract syntax tree template compiler, a plugin runtime with Wasm, and a full observability stack. This course is about systems to build, not videos to watch. Every module produces a deployable working component. You will face real failure scenarios, understand the why behind architectural decisions, and experience the complete lifecycle from architecting to debugging under real load. The curriculum is structured across 9 modules and 90 lessons, building a single production system. Modules cover everything from the persistent core and routing to caching, observability, security, and isolation. Everything you need to build at scale is included: 90 hands-on coding lessons, 5 complete production projects with source code, and lifetime access to all future updates. You also receive private community access, live Q&A sessions, and a certificate of completion, plus a 30-day full money-back guarantee. Start building production PHP systems today. This course, valued at $467, is available for the launch price of $390, saving you $77. It includes all 90 lessons, lifetime access, 5 portfolio projects, and the 30-day money-back guarantee. Enroll now to secure exclusive launch bonuses. This includes a bonus module on migrating legacy PHP-FPM to RoadRunner, community access with instructor office hours, all future module updates, and a shareable LinkedIn certificate. Do not miss this opportunity. Ready to gain production-ready skills for modern development? Enroll today. For any questions, you can contact us at sdr@systemdrd.com.